Sigmund Freud was born on May 6, 1856, in Freiburg, which was then part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, now the Czech Republic. His family was of Jewish origin, and during his childhood, they moved to Vienna. Freud was an exceptionally gifted student. He was fluent in German, Latin, Greek, French, English, and even Hebrew. At 17, he entered the University of Vienna to study medicine. Even then, he showed a strong interest in human behavior, memory, language, and the nature of dreams. After graduating, Freud began working at a hospital where he studied the anatomy of the brain and spinal cord. His early research focused on the nervous system and the effects of drugs, including cocaine, which he initially promoted as a pain reliever, later recognizing its addictive dangers. A turning point in his career came when he observed patients suffering from physical symptoms with no clear physical cause. He described these as hysterical symptoms and concluded that their roots lay in the psyche, in unresolved internal conflicts and trauma. Freud began experimenting with hypnosis, but soon abandoned it in favor of a new method: free association. Patients were encouraged to say whatever came to mind without filtering or censorship. This allowed repressed emotions and memories to surface, which, according to his theory, caused the symptoms in the first place. Working with Dr. Joseph Breuer on the case of Anna O., Freud saw how the unconscious mind sought to speak. This marked the birth of the famous psychoanalytic couch, a symbol of trust and therapy. In his most famous work, Freud presented a central idea. Dreams are disguised wishes. In them, we live out what we cannot allow ourselves in reality. He distinguished two levels of meaning in dreams: manifest content, what we remember; latent content, the hidden symbolic meaning. This approach opened a new path for dream analysis as a tool for exploring the unconscious. His ideas influenced psychology, philosophy, art, and literature throughout the 20th century. In the 1910s, Freud organized his concepts of the human mind into a model including id, the source of instincts and desires; ego, the mediator between instincts, reality, and morality; superego, the inner critic;